All right. Here's something to think about today on this Monday for this Monday Minute. I want to frustrate you today and for the rest of the week. That's right. I'm going to intentionally perturb you.
Tom Sawyer, mean pride. Modern day pride. A modern day warrior, mean stride. Today's Tom Sawyer, mean pride. Modern day.
Think about the thing that's been holding you back. The circumstance, the negative people, the lack of money, your living situation. I don't know what's holding you back. How about the amount of time that you're putting into your job that you can't stand? You know, the one that's preventing you from working on your side hustle or your side business. That's where your real passion lies. I want to frustrate you today and for the rest of the week. That's right. I'm going to perturb you. I want you to fast forward in your mind to the end of the year, December 31st, 2019. Imagine nothing has changed in your life. Nothing has improved. Your health has not improved. You're still lugging around that extra 30, 40 pounds of fat or more. You're still carrying around that weight that is causing your heart to really labor and it's making you lethargic and tired. Your income hasn't gone up. You still don't have control of your life. The unhappiness, the stress that you have is still there, or even worse. And all of this is because of that one thing, the thing you blame. Your family, your spouse, your boss, your mother, brother, sister, your lack of money, the people around you, the environment you're in. The blame goes on and on. I get it. But I want you to feel what it would look like if you took a look in the mirror and pretended it was 1 year from now and nothing has changed. Sometimes we need to be disturbed to take action. I know I do from time to time. Sometimes we have to focus on if we don't overcome this hurdle, then we don't change our story, right? We don't stop letting other people's thoughts of us or circumstances determine our future. If we don't do that, you know exactly where you'll be at the end of the month and surely the end of the year, regardless of any resolution you've made for yourself. You know how fast last year went and how fast it came and gone. Don't allow this year to be a continuum of the last. Don't allow this year to go by that quick. Change your thinking. Change that one thing today that's been holding you back from really living. Decide today that you're no longer going to allow self-limiting belief or the thoughts of other people determine what your future outcome is going to be in December. Whatever that one thing is that's holding you back, now is the time to divorce it. I really want you to think about this today. I believe in you. Let's do this. Just reach out to me. Let's talk. We're all improving, and I'll be more than happy to discuss whatever's on your mind. So continue having an incredible and frustrated-free Monday. As always, in great health.